We're back with another incredible recipe for more food you love that loves you back. This time we're doing a fake-out takeout dinner.
This dinner is super easy to make and really delicious.
Plus, it's made with better for you ingredients, which was the goal of the entire book, well really both books, was to teach you guys how to transform all your traditional favorites with ingredients that love your body back. Today's simple swaps are going to be soy sauce for coconut aminos, arrowroot starch instead of cornstarch. You won't taste the difference, but you sure will feel it.
Hi, I'm Rorie of Full and Free. I'm a health coach, recipe developer, and busy mom. Let's go, Rorie's on fire. I want to show you that healthy food can be delicious, quick and easy, and fit into your lifestyle without missing a beat.
The takeout experience at home, the Full and Free way.